right, so Bodhi had an advent calendar where every day there was a gemstone that you had to dig out of these guys. So we're going to do the big unveiling today. He saved a bunch up. We're going to undo them all, or open them all, crush them, and see what kind of gems are inside. Bodhi, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. All right, here we go. Which one are you starting with?
This one.
What color is that? I'm calling that purple, lavender.
Light purple.
A light purple. Let's hack into this thing.
Dang, it's already on the side.
Whoa, so on this advent calendar, it lists all the gems that come from these spots. So as Bodhi works on that, we'll kind of peek at these. And let us know in the comments, which one is your favorite one? You can see them all listed here, like snow jade, bamboo, jasper. Tell us which one is your favorite. Comment it below. How are we doing there, Bodhi? Still working?
I like these two ones.
You like those top two ones right there?
Yeah.
You like bloodstone and amethyst. What other tools work good? Do you need scissors at all? You use scissors. Gotta be careful though. Those are some real scissors. They'll poke a hole right through your skin. This guy is made out of plastic, so that's pretty safe to use for kids. These are some of his past gems. So while Bodhi works on that, I'm gonna take these out, put them on the mat here, and we'll check these out. Check these bad boys out. I'll start laying these out.
That one looks like bubble gum.
It does look like bubble gum. Let me know in the comments which one of these is your favorite.
Oh, there's the elves.
Yeah, we got some elves in his room. They partied hard last night.
Seriously, why is my giant Kong holding two elves?
I don't know. How's that coming along though?
Pretty good.
Looks like you're tearing it apart, mister. All right, so I helped Bodhi a little bit crack it open. I just took these scissors and kind of stabbed it and worked my way in back and forth. It went a little bit quicker than
Maybe we could take turns. Like, I'm opening this one and then you get one too.
Sounds good to me. Keep that over the plate a little bit.
Yeah.
Here's what I did. I like this method. I kind of poke it, grind into it. There it goes again. See how that popped right open?
That's our audience.
Now just a little bit is left. How about you work on that and I'll open another one? Does that sound fair?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with this green guy right here. So I'm gonna poke, kind of like a drill. Like I'm drilling for oil. Drilling for oil. Drilling for oil. Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna flip it. I may have hit the stone in there, so it's about as far as I could get.
You can go and wash this off.
Oh, mine just popped in half. Look at that. That was pretty easy. I'm gonna hit it again, so you can see right here what it's gonna be. Let's see if I can just pop this right out. Go to a visitor at the door. Oh, here comes our doggy, Bruce. Here's our visitor.
Purple one.
Nice.
Don't leave that one out there.
Here, nope, Bruce, this is not food.
Not food, but
Lead Bruce. Brucey, go. Go on. Go. Good boy. Go on out of here. He likes to help. All right, Bodhi, I got another one for you to do right there.
kind of.
All
That one
right,
looks
so we just
just
opened
like
these
an
two. These two just got washed off, so these are new ones to our addition, to our collection. Let's go in for another one.
Oh, I can
You
kind
like
of
that one?
see right there.
Maybe I'll work on this one at the same time. I think the twist, see how I twist it? That seemed to work really well. Oh, I think I hit it. Time to flip it. There's Scout or Cat that's interested in literally everything.
Can you see half of mine right there?
Ooh, yeah. Okay, mine just split in half. That's pretty easy. Let's see if I can get it again. Oh! Whoa! Made a piece fly out. All right, found mine. Did you find yours? Getting there?
Not yet.
Kind of getting there. I'm gonna work mine a little bit more. It's really close. Oh yeah! Look at this puppy. Let's see if I can use my hand to break it. It's like chalk. It feels like chalk.
I think it
Do you
is
think you
chalk.
could use it like chalk? Like, could you write things like my name, J-A-M-S?
It's literally made out of chalk back.
It is. Scout also confirms it's made out of chalk. All right, this one's ready to be washed off, I think. What do you think? A little bit more or no? Do you think this needs to be cracked more?
Yeah, cracked a little more. What are you looking
All
at?
right, I'm going in for another one. I'm going to pick this
Shut
guy
up
right
the
here.
vine that's from came through my window.
Oh yeah, we'll check out the vine that came through your window and we just let grow.
Yeah, because it's in the dinosaurs section.
The prehistoric part of your room. Oh yeah, here we go. Getting all the angles. Alright, Bodhi is washing one off. Oh, got a little crack out of this one. Oh, look at that. Coming along, coming along. Oh yeah. Oop, come on now. Come on. Gotta get this real close, real close. Real close. Got it. That was a good one. Look how easy that came about. All right, so newest one to our edition. So what do we get? These 4 today so far, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 of those 4. Yep. G.I. Joe sword. It's Storm Shadows, maybe.
No, that's not a G.I. Joe sword.
All right, now I'm off to another one. Bodhi's gonna work on that one. You know, I don't feel like I did a blue one yet. Maybe I did. I just can't
I'm gonna
remember.
do a white one. Those feel like they're easier to break.
That sure looks like chalk when it's white. Let's see what color this is.
Wait, what if we put water on them first?
I think you could. You could try it out.
I'm gonna get all of these. Can't fit all of them really.
Oh!
Maybe.
What the heck? I like lost it. Is that the one that... Did that just come out now?
Yeah.
That just came out right this second?
Yeah.
Look at that beauty. That came out like... That was easy.
That was sparkly.
Whoa.
That one's so sparkly.
Holy moly. Barely needs to be washed. How's yours? Let's just... Why don't you try... All right, so Bodhi just took these... Let's not put them there. We'll put them right back on here. He just got these wet, soaked them in the water a little bit. Let's see if it makes any difference. Does it feel softer, Bodhi?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. Careful with your fingers, though. It's cutting... Oh, it's right at the top. That one's... I can already see it already. Huh?
Me too.
I see it already. Maybe try a different side and, like, smash it. You know what I mean? Like, turn it on its side instead of doing that. There you go. And, like, kind of... Don't do that. You might get your finger. Yeah, press it and then turn it. Yeah. Now try a different side. Do the same method. Just flip it on another side. Yeah. Push and turn. Push and turn.
Ooh.
Watch your fingers.
This makes a huge... That's part of crystal right there,
Wow, that's right
speaking
near
of
the
it.
top.
It's right on its side there.
Probably dig that one right out now, huh?
Since we got this water, it's going to get all over the crystal. Wait, how about we wash all the crystals at the end?
Oh yeah, that'd be a good one. I
Pause
found
this.
one that wasn't finished right here, Bodhi.
That was mine.
That was your... Oh, look at that. That came right open. Easy. Look at that. Here's another one we can wash off. Let's get this one. I'll do... I love purple. My favorite color if I had a favorite.
It's
Whoa.
orange.
Whoa. Getting these suckers wet makes a huge difference.
I know.
If you want to make it easy, you get it wet, huh?
Uh-huh. Works on every one of these I get.
I wonder if,
Even
like, you
the
were...
little ones from the Dollar Tree.
What are those things called? What are those people called that dig up dinosaur bones?
I don't know.
You don't know? People that dig up fossils? What are they? Who are they?
Seismologists? I don't know.
What would you think?
Seismologists?
Seismologist? I think that's like earthquakes, seismology.
That one looks like a
All right, so this one could probably be rinsed off in the water.
Ooh. The blue ones, when these puppies get wet, oh, Dad.
Right at the top, look at that
Dad.
guy. That's a good looking one.
I just got my blood one.
Is that the bloodstone you've been wanting?
I think. Please be the blood. It's the bloodstone.
Awesome. Been wanting that one, huh?
Mm-hmm. For a long time.
1, 2 left. Where's this thing? We got 2 left. I'll do one, you do one, okay? Last 2.
Wait, I'm just gonna...
Confirm. Let's see. Does that look like a blood? That does look like a bloodstone to me.
Is there any other red ones? That's the bloodstone. No, my red ones. Now where's...
That's weird. Oh, that's why. I was like, there's not one in this, but it is. It's white, just like the chalk part. White.
Ooh.
I think this is a quartz. See that guy? Let's look it up.
Oh my gosh, wait. That one right there.
Selenite? Yeah.
Oh,
Here's the clear quartz down there. That definitely looks like the selenite. That looks like what I just...
I think I got the quartz already.
Yeah, you must have.
Yeah, that's the...
All right, now it's cleaning time. Bodhi started. Get all this chalk cleaned up. We put the new rocks in our bag here. We'll display them in a second. We're going to get this all washed off. How about this? Do you see these pieces of plastic? If you throw those out, I'll do this real quick.
I want to do this.
Okay, but we got to get those thrown away too.
I know.
A nice clean matte surface. All right. Let's see our findings here. Let's line them up here.
I like this one.
Yeah.
But we didn't get the amethyst.
Well, it's not quite Christmas. On Christmas, you'll open your last one, I believe. Right?
I have actually 2 more to go.
Yeah. Well, it's right. So.
But one is...
Oh, you have 2 more? Because Christmas is...
And this long one.
Oh, yeah. I wonder what that is.
Yeah.
So this is today. Tomorrow's Christmas. Or wait, no. What the?
That's Christmas.
This is Christmas.
No, that's Christmas.
Christmas is the 25th. December 25th. This is Christmas Eve.
No, like 1, 2, 3, 4,
I understand.
5, 6.